Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the UI text component in Unity. What is Unity UI text? UI text is a component of Unity's canvas system. It is primarily used for displaying dynamic or static text in your game's user interface. For example, you can use UI text to show the player's score, show dialogues, or even display instructions. Why use UI text in Unity? UI text is perfect for showing information on the screen that changes during the game. For instance, you might want to show a countdown timer, score, or health points. UI text can be used to give the player information about interactive objects, such as instructions, button labels, and tooltips. First, we will add a UI Text Mesh Pro to our scene. This will allow us to display text with higher quality and better customization options. We give our text a name to keep things organized and easily identifiable in the inspector. Next, in the Anchor Preset section, we can adjust where our text will appear in the scene. This allows us to position it precisely on the screen. As an example, we will add a text, change its color, make it bold, and adjust properties like increasing the spacing between characters for better customization. You can explore this section and experiment with different settings to discover various options and features. By adjusting these settings, you can control how the text behaves within the UI, align it to specific positions, and even create responsive layouts that adapt to different screen sizes. We begin by adding the Using Pro library at the top of our script. This will help us understand how to dynamically update text through scripting, which is essential for creating interactive UI elements in Unity. By utilizing this powerful library, we can easily manipulate text properties and display changing values in real time. After defining the text element, we create a string value. This string will hold the value we want to display in the user interface. It will assign this value to our text component. Let's test it now. After creating the script, drag and drop it onto the scene. Then link the text component to the script by dragging the Text Mesh Pro object into the appropriate field in the inspector. We first define a Text Mesh Pro reference called timerText to hold a reference to the text component where the timer will be displayed. We also create a float variable called timeLeft, initialist to an indefinite second, which represents the starting value of our timer. In the update method, which runs every frame, we check if timeLeft is greater than or equal to 0. If it is, we decrease the timeLeft by time.delta time, which gives us the time passed since the last frame. This allows us to continuously decrease the timer value smoothly. We then use string format to display the remaining time in the timerText field, formatting the value to show 1 decimal place. As the game runs, the remaining time is updated and shown on the UI, providing real-time feedback for the player. Let's set the initial value of timeLeft to 10 seconds. This way, we will clearly see the countdown in action as the time decreases each second. As the timer decreases, you'll notice the value updating in real time on the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.